Morning, all of you.
Good
Recording
morning,
started,
sir.
Okay. Okay. Good morning. Hello. Yesterday, how many questions I'll give you? Can you tell me?
Sir, 5, 6, 7.
5, 6, 7.
Sir, 3, 5, 6, 7.
3, 5, 6, 7. Any problem?
No, sir.
No,
All the
sir.
question you have completed?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
please see your copy. दिखाइए मुझे.
सर दिखा रहे हैं.
Yes. Muskan.
Yes, sir.
Please see your copy. Like this. Anybody have a problem? Aditya Gupta,
Yes, sir.
you have completed your work?
Yes, sir.
Please see your copy. दिखा सकते हो अपनी कॉपी? अपने मोबाइल के सामने ही रखिए, हम समझ जाएंगे, हमें दिखेगा. मोबाइल के सामने बिल्कुल कैमरे के जैसे मैं ये बुक दिखा रहा हूं, ठीक उसी तरह. ओके. Okay, I hope all of you completed your work. Now we start. Question number 7, you have complete? Question number 7?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
In this question?
sir.
Which property you have used? Which property you used in question number 7? Why is the alternate angle? Why is alternate angle? Therefore, the y is 40 degree. Two parallel lines are in. PH is the transversal line. Therefore, angle y is equal to 40 degree. And angle z. So first you find POH by linear pair. You find linear pair, and this angle you find 110 degree. And the sum of the triangle is 180. You already find the angle z. Now we come to the question number 8. Question 8.
Sir,
Yes.
sir,
Yes.
question number 7 is 5.
Question number 5. 5 नहीं हुआ? 5 में प्रॉब्लम है? चलते
No,
हैं.
sir.
नहीं किसे 5 करें बेटे? प्लीज टेल मी.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, fine. The measure of two adjacent angle of the parallelogram are in the ratio of, ये parallelogram है आपके सामने, and A, B, C, D, and the ratio are given. Adjacent angle में आप जानते हो, these are the adjacent angle, because in adjacent angle one arm is a common, one common arm. Therefore, angle A and angle B is the adjacent angle, but they are given in the ratio. In the question number 5, they are given the adjacent angle. The measure of two adjacent angle of the parallelogram are in the ratio 2:3. Therefore, first we let the two adjacent angle of parallelogram are, they are given in ratio. So we write here 3x and 2x. हमने इसको लिख दिया. This is 3x and this is 2x. These are the angle. Now, and we know the point, if two lines are parallel, we write here, we know
Let the two adjacent.
in parallelogram ABCD, AB is parallel to CD, and AD and BC are two transversal line. That means they are the co-interior angles, and the sum of the co-interior angles always be 180. 180 होता है, आप जानते हो. ये वाली, these are, sorry मैं right यहाँ लिख देता हूँ. If AD parallel to BC and AB is a transversal line, the line, then angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. Why? Because consecutive co-interior angles. Co-interior, that means the sum of the consecutive angles always comes 180, and this angle is 3x and this angle be 2x equal 180 degree, and 3 plus 2 comes 5x is equal to 180 degree. And now we solve. 5 1 is 5, 5 3 is 15, remainder comes 3, and 5 6 is 30, and the value of x come 36. Now this value, the value of x, we put in this angle, both the angles. Therefore we write here, therefore angle A is equal to 3x. Now 3 into multiply by 36, it comes degree. 3 6 are 18, 3 6 are 18, carry 1, 3 3 are 9, or 110, 108 degree. Angle A, angle A and angle B is equal to 2x, and 2 into x is 36 degree. And now we multiply 6 to the 12, carry 1, 3 to the 6, 72 degree. Okay?
50x कहाँ से?
हाँ जी?
50x कहाँ पे है?
50x कहाँ है भैया? ये
यहाँ पर
3x, ये 3x हमने एज्यूम कर लिया, लेट करा है. रेशियो में होता है तो हम उसको एज्यूम कर लेते हैं कोई भी चीज. तो हमने ये मान लिया कि 3x डिग्री है और ये वाला 2x डिग्री है एंगल, और हमने कॉन्जिक्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी लगा दी. हम जानते हैं कि अगर ये लाइन और ये लाइन पैरेलल है और ये ट्रांसवर्सल लाइन है, तो जो कॉन्जिक्यूटिव एंगल्स बनेंगे उनका सम 180 होता है. हमने यहाँ लिख दिया है प्रॉपर्टी, और हमने x की वैल्यू फाइंड कर ली, और इस x की वैल्यू को हम दोनों एंगल में रख देंगे तो इट कम्स 100. लेकिन एक चीज ध्यान रखिए, ये 3x ये होगा, ये तो हमने एज्यूम किया था, हमने डायरेक्टली लिखा क्योंकि ये वाला एंगल मोर देन ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल है. ये देखिए 108, पिक्चर के हिसाब से 108 यहाँ आएगा, लेकिन ये तो एज्यूमिंग है, कोई हमने बनाया तो था नहीं पहले पिक्चर, ऐसे ही लेट बना दिया था. आंसर हमारा निकल गया, एंगल ए इज. अगर इसी को हम ड्रॉ करेंगे तो फिगर ऐसे ड्रॉ होगा. अब ये फिगर ऐसे ना होकर यूं ड्रॉ होगा, ये आपका फिगर इस टाइप का होगा. A, B, C, D, and this is 3x and this is 2x. यहाँ बिल्कुल करेक्ट चलेगा ये फिगर. ओके, चलिए. ओके, now comes to the next question.
बनाने के लिए
Question number 8.
NCERT class.
The following figures, don't make a noise, please look at here. Don't talk to each other. किसी से बात नहीं करिए. सिंसियर होके सुनिए.
क्या है?
ओके?
क्या है?
अरे बेटे, प्लीज साइलेंट. Please silent. I mute all of you. नहीं मानो.
क्या है? क्या है? सर आयुष सिंह है.
अरे उसको मालूम है. चलिए स्कूल में मिलेगा. Okay. Now, the following figures, GUNS and RUNS are the parallelogram, and find the value of x and y. So first figure, so we write this is the parallelogram, And the definition of the parallelogram already you know, the opposite sides are parallel to each other, they are called parallelogram. And this is G U N S, and this side is 3y minus 1, this side is 26, and this side is 3x, and this side is 18. Find the value of find x and y. You have find these values. So we know हम जानते हैं, we know in parallelogram, we know G U N S is a parallelogram, then GU equal SN, because opposite sides of the parallelogram are equal. Opposite sides of a parallelogram के opposite sides equal होती है. Now GU, you put this value, the length of GU is 3y minus 1 and the length of SN is 26. Now one goes to the right hand side, sign will be changed, it comes plus 1 and 3y is equal to 27 and 3 1s are 3, 3 9s are 27 and y is equal to 9. The first we find the value of 9. हमने 9 की value find कर ली. Similarly, this side also equal. We write here, similarly, SG equal NU. Now SG, the value of SG is 3x and NU value is 18 and 3 1s are 3, 3 6 are 18. Therefore x is equal to 6. Now at the end we write here, thus x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 9, and that is our answer. Okay? Okay? It is clear? Raise your hand. Ankit Raj, are you understand? Are you understand? Okay. Hello.
Please, sir.
Are you understand? Any problem? Any problem?
No, sir.
Okay, now write down. This is very easy. If you all the definition and all the properties of the parallelogram are you know, very easy
Side,
to
please,
learn all the
sir.
questions. बहुत आसानी से सारे क्वेश्चंस कर सकते हैं अगर प्रॉपर्टीज आपको मालूम है तो. Now, can I
पता नहीं
erase?
पापा.
Can I erase it?
रुक जाइए. नो सर.
अरे
Yes,
पापा
sir.
को अभी कुछ हमें समय
Yes,
दो.
sir.
प्लीज साइलेंट. सारा समय पापा को
अरे
दे दोगे
इधर
तो
नहीं है.
टीचर को भी दीजिए. चलिए. ओके. Now comes to the second part. Second part of this figure. This is also a parallelogram. And this parallelogram name is runs, RUNS. And these are the diagonals. And already know the property of the parallelogram. In a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal and diagonals bisect to each other. आपको मालूम है कि मैंने प्रूफ किया था diagonals by parallelogram के आपस में bisect करते हैं. Bisector, that means converted into two equal parts. So let's suppose this point, the intersecting point is O. Now the values are given. this is x plus y, and this value is 16. This value comes 20, and this value y plus 7. Now first, we know my solution is, please don't talk to each other. प्यारे बच्चों, आपस में बात ना करो, अपने वॉइस को म्यूट कर लीजिए, वो ज्यादा अच्छा रहेगा. That my solution is, we know diagonals of parallelogram bisect to each other Therefore, OS is equal to OU. ऐसा कर दिया, equal हो गए, and the value of, I will write it, OU is equal to OS, right hand side. OU is y plus 7 and OS is 20 degree. Therefore, y is equal to 20 minus 7. The value y comes 13 degree. 13. Length is 13. The value of y is 13. Y. Similarly, this process apply on the diagonal Rn. So again, OR, ON equal OR, and ON is given x plus y, and OR is given 16, and the value of y, it comes there, yahi hai. So put the value of y, put the value of y, we get, आवाज नहीं, तो x plus the value of y is 13 is equal to 16. Therefore, x is equal to 16 minus 13. This number goes to the right hand side, sign will be changed, and the x is equal to 3. हो गया? Now, at the end, we write the answer thus x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 13, and that is my answer. Anybody? Any problem? Muskan Singh? Muskan बेटे बताओ, कोई problem? Arpita?
No, sir.
Arpita, can you listen my voice? Okay. Aditya
Yes, sir.
Gupta? Aditya?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
कोई problem?
Yes, sir.
Problem है?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Okay. Mahavir?
No,
Mahavir.
sir.
Anjum Masood?
Yes, sir.
अंजुम बेटे, कुछ कोई प्रॉब्लम? अंजुम, ओके, no, and now we complete this question. Can I erase it? Okay.
No, sir.
अरे
Yes, sir.
फटाफट यार करो. This is the first part. That is my second part, and at the end of my third part, that is my answer. Now, the last, not a last question. Okay, question number 9. Here is trapezoid like this.
And blue.
Okay, now this is the parallelogram. This is the first parallelogram, and we write the name R L U K, and this is S. Similarly, UL parallel to this, and this is intersecting point C. This is I, and this is S, and this is E. Now, this angle be 120 degree, 20 degree. This angle be X. This angle be 70 degree. Find the value of X. In this question, you have find X. So first, and then my solution is, first now look at here. In this parallelogram, this angle be 70, then we know in the parallelogram opposite angles are equal. Therefore, this angle is also equal. Now we are right here. In parallelogram, CLUE, then angle L is equal to angle E, this angle. That means angle E is equal to angle L. Why? Opposite angle of the parallelogram are equal. We write here opposite angles of a parallelogram. Therefore, angle E is equal to 70 degree. This is my first equation. ये हमारी first होगी. Now, अगर हमारे को अब now in this parallelogram, again in parallelogram RISK, we have of this angle. If you find this angle, अगर हमको ये एंगल पता लग जाए तो हम ये वाला एंगल S easily निकाल सकते हैं, because opposite angle of the parallelogram equal. But now here this line and this line are parallel lines, and that is the transversal line. Therefore, co-interior angles, the sum of the co-interior angle is always 180. Then easily we find the angle R. We know RI, we know RI is parallel to KS. It's parallel to KS, then angle K plus angle R, angle R is equal to 180 degree. Why? The sum of the consecutive angle always 180, and that means co-interior angles. Now, angle K is given, we put there, plus angle R is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle R is equal to 180 minus 120 degree. 120 degree. And this value comes, angle R is 60 degree. 60 degree. This angle comes 60 degree. आवाज नहीं. Therefore, we write here, therefore, angle S is equal to angle R. Why? Opposite angle of the parallelogram. This is the parallelogram, my RISK. Opposite angles of the parallelogram are equal. Opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. Now, angle S we have find. Therefore, angle S is equal to, and R we already find here 60 degree. We put there 60. That means angle X comes 60. This angle 60, and this angle Angle E is 70 degree. 70 degree. Now, using this triangle
Okay.
and the intersection point we find here. Now this point we write here O. मैंने इसको O मान लिया, आपके फिगर में नहीं दिया पॉइंट. Now in triangle OES. In triangle, now मैं यहाँ सॉल्व कर देता हूँ. OES. मैं ये पार्ट मिटा रहा हूँ.
847 के कर
In triangle, बात नहीं. In triangle OES, we have ये language लिख लेना. And you all of you know the sum of the angles of the triangle is 180. The sum of the angles of the triangle is 180. Okay. Now, the angle E plus angle S plus angle O is equal to 180 degree. Now, angle E is 70 degree. Put these angle X is, S is 60 degree, and angle O is X equal 180 degree. Now, 180 degree. Now 70 plus 60, it comes 130 degree plus X equal 180 degree. Therefore, X is equal to 180 minus 130 degree, and this value comes 50 degree. That means my answer is, we find the value of X, and the value of X is 50 degree. That is my answer. Okay? Okay? Any problem?
No, sir.
Please.
No,
please
sir.
No, thank you.
No, sir.
Okay. Aditya, any problem?
Yes, sir.
Problem है कोई?
No, sir.
समझ में आ गया?
नहीं सर.
क्या चीज नहीं
हाँ.
समझ में आई है, पूछिए. Tell me. देखिए यहाँ दो पैरेललोग्राम बन रहे हैं. अगर मैं इस वाले पार्ट को हटा देता हूं तो RIS के एक पैरेललोग्राम बन रहा है. अगर इस पार्ट को हटा देता हूं तो CLUE भी पैरेललोग्राम बन रहा है. अब पैरेललोग्राम की प्रॉपर्टी हमने लगा दी. ये इसके बराबर और ये वाला एंगल इसके बराबर. ये एंगल निकाला था, कॉन्जिक्यूटिव एंगल से निकाल दिया, क्योंकि ये साइड और ये साइड पैरेलल है और ये ट्रांसवर्सल लाइन है. तो 180 में से 120 हटाया तो ये 60 आ गया, और 60 का अपोजिट एंगल 60 होगा पैरेललोग्राम में. ये हमारा 70 था तो ये 70 होगा, और ट्राइंगल की प्रॉपर्टी लगा दी. ट्राइंगल की प्रॉपर्टी होती है सम ऑफ द एंगल्स ऑफ द ट्राइंगल इज 180. ये देखिए लगा दिया, x की वैल्यू निकाल दिया 50. बोलिए, समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, next question.
Sir,
Question number.
please type.
Question number. Can I raise it? मिटा दे?
Yes, sir.
Hurry up, please. ये पार्ट तो आप लोगों ने लिख लिया होगा. This is my first part we have solved. Okay. Then. Okay. Hurry up. This is the sum of the triangle OES. We have. Okay. Only 10 minutes be left. Hurry up, please. 10 minutes be left. Now, in question number 10, explain how this figure is a trapezoid. You say, and the definition of, according to the definition of the trapeze, opposite sides are parallel and other opposite sides are non-parallel. They are called trapeze.
No.
ट्रेपेज होता है. And which of the two sides are parallel? आपको ये भी बतानी है कि इसमें कौन सी two sides parallel होती है. तो जो पैरेलल साइड में एक ट्रांसवर्सल लाइन कट करेगी और उसके कॉन्जिक्यूटिव इंटीरियर एंगल का सम अगर 180 आता है तो हम कहेंगे वही साइड पैरेलल होगी. तो नाउ वी इन दिस फिगर आई लुक फर्स्ट वी सॉल्व.
181.
This is my figure. K, L, M, N. Now first this angle be 100 and this angle be 80 degree. Now first we solve this angle. My solution is first angle M plus angle L. Now look at here, angle M is 100 degree, angle L is 80 degree, and both angles comes 180, and both the sum of the angles, and these are the co-interior angles. That means these are co-interior angles, and the sum of the co-interior angles comes 180. Therefore, this line and this line are parallel lines. Then we say here, कि line KL is parallel to NM. Why? Because sum of the consecutive angle is 180. Why? Sum of consecutive angle is 180 degree.
MN
is 180. देखिए 180 हो गया, 180 डिग्री आ गया. आगे बात समझ में? 180 हो गया. अब this is 180, but this line KN and LM are produced, they intersect to each other. Therefore, we say and KL, KN and LM are not a parallel line. ये parallel नहीं है क्योंकि produce करें तो intersect कर देगी. Are non-parallel lines. The definition of the trapezoid, two opposite sides are non-parallel and two sides are parallel. Two opposite sides, one opposite sides are parallel. They are trapezoid. But last में आप at the end of thus A, L, and N is A, and that is my answer. Okay.
Please, sir.
Please silent. Please silent. I mute all of you.
Side, please, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now this part, the second part of the first is the trapezoid, and non-parallel side are KN and LN. And question number 11, you have done in your homework copy. And question number 12 also you have done it. Question number 11 and question number 12 you have done in your homework copy. Therefore, this exercise my completed. If any problem, if any doubts, so tomorrow you ask me. Okay? आज हम लोग इतना ही रहने दें, काफी है. और हेलो हेलो
सर वो सम ऑफ के बाद क्या लिखे हैं?
किस पे?
सर सम ऑफ के बाद क्या लिखे हैं?
कहाँ आएगा?
Sir,
sum of consecutive interior angles is 180. Consecutive interior angles का sum 180 होता है. Sum of consecutive angles is 180. वो interior angles है, consecutive interior angles आप लिख लेना अपनी language में. और नीचे है KN is and LM are non-parallel lines. Thus, KLM is a trapezoid. Trapezoid की definition होती है one opposite pair of one opposite sides are parallel and other opposite sides are non-parallel, they are trapezoid. तो ये दोनों इधर वाली non-parallel है, this is parallel. And question number 9th and question number 11th and 12th you have done. Okay? Okay?
Yes, sir.
आप लोग करिएगा. अगर if any doubt, then you ask me. Okay? कोई डाउट्स होगा तो आप कल पूछिएगा. किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम?
No, sir.
पढ़ा रहे हैं उसमें डाउट? एनी डाउट? समझ में आ रहा है बेटे? समझ में आ रहा है? कोई दिक्कत?
Yes, sir. Yes, no, sir.
अर्पिता सिंह, अर्पिता, अर्पिता, कैन यू लिसन माय वॉइस? बेटे तुम्हें आ रहा है समझ में?
Yes,
ओके ओके ओके.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
today I complete here.
Yes,
And
sir.
tomorrow we start
Yes,
the
sir.
next topic.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So where we start the rhombus, those quadrilateral whose all the four sides are equal and the diagonal bisect to each other at right angle. At right angle. So this theorem we prove tomorrow. कल हम इस theorem को prove करेंगे. Rhombus parallelogram क्यों होता है बेटे? कोई बता सकता है? Why rhombus is a parallelogram? कोई बता सकता है? Rhombus क्यों parallelogram होता है? कोई बताएगा? Anybody?
Because all sides are equal.
All sides are equal and parallel.
Sir, because उसकी parallel sides equal होती है.
Parallelogram with side of equal length.
Are parallel to each other. And in a rhombus, opposite sides are parallel to each other. Therefore, rhombus is a parallelogram. Parallelogram का
sides are equal.
parallelogram के क्या रूल्स होते हैं?
Equal length होते हैं.
पैरेललोग्राम के अपोजिट साइड इक्वल होती है भाई. डायगोनल एक दूसरे को